Greetings from Ireland to Mother Flora and Father Bernard. So happy 50th wedding anniversary. So we hope you're enjoying your day, celebrating your 50th wedding anniversary with your friends and loved ones. Actually, very few people were able to reach that milestone, 50th wedding. So you're very lucky. You're able to reach that years of with each other. So hope you celebrate more years to come. Your wedding with your wedding anniversary. So yeah, I hope you enjoy your day. Hope to see you soon in Ireland or in the Philippines. So Jeffrey, want to say something to your Lolo and Lola?
Yep. Hi, Lolo and Lola. I hope you have an amazing 50th wedding anniversary. I hope you have a great day.
Hello, happy 50th golden anniversary. Hope you have a lovely day, Lolo Bernard and Lola Flora. Goodbye.
Happy golden anniversary to the people who taught me the meaning of love. To my wonderful parents, your love and wisdom have been my guiding light, and your love for each other have been a constant source of joy and inspiration in my life. I am forever grateful for all that you have done for me. Thank you for all the countless ways you've shown me love and support. I am truly blessed to call you my parents. On this very special occasion of your 50th wedding anniversary, with a heart of deepest gratitude, I give you my honor, appreciation, admiration, and love. May God continue to bless your marriage, and may you enjoy your celebration throughout this golden year. I love you, my mama and papa. Mwah. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy your day.
Bye 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 bye
Bye.
bye bye
Bye.
bye bye.
Bye.